What if I told you that I tested the most viral AI money methods everyone is talking about online, and most of them completely failed in real life? Not slightly failed, not kind of worked, but full on, wasted time, overhyped failures. Because on social media, every second video claims the same thing. Make money with AI in 24 hours. Use this tool and get rich instantly. Copy and paste and earn online. It sounds exciting. It feels easy. And that's exactly why people fall for it. But I wanted to know something different. Not what sounds good, but what actually works. So I did something simple. I picked the most viral AI money methods on the internet. I tested them one by one. No fake results. No edited success stories. Just real execution. And what I found was surprising, because some methods were completely useless. Some were slightly useful, and a few were actually powerful if used correctly. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what happened when I tested viral AI money methods for real. No hype, no sugarcoating, just the truth. Let's begin. The experiment. Before testing anything, I set one simple rule. If a method cannot realistically make money for an average person, I will call it out. If it only works in theory, I will ignore it. And if it works but requires skill, I will break down exactly how hard it really is. Because the internet rarely tells the full truth. Most videos only show results, not effort, not failures, not context. So I wanted clarity. I chose 5 viral AI money methods that were trending everywhere. And then I gave myself 7 days to test them. No shortcuts, no fake engagement, just real work. And what happened next completely changed how I see AI money online. Method 1, AI content repackaging. This was the most popular method I saw everywhere. The idea sounded simple. Take existing content. Use AI to turn it into short videos, posts, and clips, and sell it as a service. At first, it sounded too easy. So I tested it. I found long podcasts and videos. I used AI tools to extract highlights. I created short-form clips. I added captions. I structured posts for social media. And yes, it worked. But not in the way people expect. Because here's the truth. The tool makes it easy. But getting clients is still hard. Nobody pays you just because you can use AI. They pay you when you solve a real problem. And the real problem is not editing. The real problem is consistency. Most creators fail to post regularly. So when I positioned the service as daily content support, things changed. That's when I realized something important. The method works, but only if you understand marketing. Without that, it's just another skill nobody buys. Method 2, AI factless YouTube videos. This one is everywhere. Everyone says you can start a YouTube channel with AI and make money without showing your face. So I tested it. I used AI to write scripts. I generated voiceovers. I built a simple editing workflow. And I created a full video. And honestly, the video was not bad. It looked professional. It sounded clean. It was fast to produce. But then reality hit. Views did not magically come. Money did not appear. And YouTube did not care that AI helped. Because YouTube only rewards one thing: attention. Not tools. Not effort. Attention. That's when I learned something important. AI can help you create content, but it cannot guarantee distribution. And distribution is the hardest part. So this method works, but only if you also understand audience psychology. Without that, you are just uploading invisible videos. Method 3, AI digital products. This method sounded like the easiest money online. Create an ebook. Use AI to write it. Sell it repeatedly. So I tried it. I picked a simple niche. I used AI to structure the content. I designed a basic PDF, and I created a landing page. The product was ready in a day. That part surprised me. But selling it was a different story. Because creating something is easy. Getting people to care is hard. And I realized something very clearly. AI reduces effort, but it does not remove competition. Thousands of people are doing the same thing. So the only difference becomes positioning. Why should someone buy from you? That question decides everything. Not AI, not speed, not tools, just positioning. And without it, even good products get ignored. Method 4, AI freelancing services. This was the most realistic method so far. I offered simple AI-based services like writing, content, and marketing help. And surprisingly, this one worked the fastest. Because businesses don't care about AI. They care about results. If you save them time, they pay. If you improve their work, they pay. If you solve a problem, they pay. Simple. I noticed something interesting. Clients were not impressed by AI. They were impressed by speed and clarity. One client needed content urgently. I delivered it in a fraction of the usual time. And that alone was enough. This method proved one thing clearly. AI is not the business. AI is the advantage. The real business is still solving human problems. Method 5, AI automation systems. This was the most powerful but also the hardest. The idea was simple. Automate business workflows using AI tools. Customer messages, email follow-ups, lead management, scheduling, content posting, everything. When it worked, it was incredible. Businesses saved hours of work daily. But setup was not easy. It required understanding systems, tools, logic, and business flow. This is not a beginner method, but it is a high-value method. Because once it works, it becomes hard to replace. And businesses pay a lot for systems that save time every single day. What I learned from all of this, after testing all 5 methods, one thing became extremely clear. There is no easy money method, but there are smart leverage methods. AI does not print money. AI increases capability. And that difference matters more than anything else. Because people think AI replaces work. But in reality, AI rewards people who already understand work. If you don't understand marketing, AI won't save you. If you don't understand audience psychology, AI won't help you grow. If you don't understand value creation, AI won't make you rich. But if you do, AI becomes a multiplier. And multipliers change everything. Most viral AI money methods online are not completely fake, but they are incomplete. They show the outcome, not the reality. They show the success, not the struggle. And that creates false expectations. The truth is simple. AI is powerful, but only in the right hands. And the people who win with it are not the ones chasing shortcuts. They are the ones building systems. Slowly, consistently, and intelligently. Because in the end, the real money is not in AI tools. It is in how you use them. And speed without direction still leads nowhere. Most people don't fail because they lack tools. They fail because they never stay consistent long enough to see results. AI can write, design, and automate, but it cannot replace discipline. And discipline is still the real currency of success in the digital world. Every opportunity you saw today only works when you actually execute it. Not watch it, not save it, but truly build with it. The gap between people is no longer knowledge, it is action. 2 people can learn the same AI tools today, but only one of them will use it tomorrow. And that small difference is what creates completely different futures. So the real question is not what AI can do for you, but what you are willing to do with it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about money, online business, psychology, and real-world AI opportunities. And remember this, the internet is full of shortcuts, but wealth is still built the long way. The only difference now is speed, and AI is the accelerator.